So I've been on the hunt for the perfect apron lately, especially since I've been doing a lot of at-home cooking, and I wanted something with fantastic quality on top of having a unique sense of style. And that is why I am super excited to test out these new apron styles that I got from BlueCut. A quick fun fact about BlueCut, they were actually the first company that started making selvage denim aprons back in 2009. These aprons are made incredibly tough and age nicely the more and more you wear them. All right, so first up we have the Mason Blue Sky apron with the two front lap pockets slightly slanted at the corners along with the front chest pocket and thermometer pocket. The metal latches on the side make this apron super functional to slip in and out of, and honestly just adds to the overall quality of the apron, which I can easily say is unmatched. And then we have the signature contrast colored adjustable neck strap. All right, next up we have the Mason Indigo style apron. Again, we can notice those two signature front lap pockets slightly slanted at the corners with custom stitching, the branded back metal latch, which is also adjustable, and the contrast colored neck strap. If you're looking for the perfect blend between quality and style, BlueCut is your answer. They make selvage denim not only sought after as jeans, but also rad aprons.